Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing of my Scentsy subscription. This is my Whiff Box, and it came really late. I think this is the October box. So right on top, they always give some kind of activity. And this, it says, use the page to create a gratitude list or to make a bucket list to help you stay focused. So that's on top. And I already saw someone else's unboxing, and I'm so excited for this. It's the child, little baby Grogu. And it says Air of Adventure is the scent, and the kids are going to fight over this. I already know that. But it's a little Scentsy buddy. It's got a clip here. Oh my gosh, how cute. And I don't always get the box. I sometimes skip like a couple months throughout the year, and I think this is the first time they've sent something that was like licensed. We did get like the Nightmare Before Christmas bars last month, but something like a buddy, that's really cool. So the first bar that I have is maple rum cake. Bet that smells really good. And it does. Makes me hungry. Then we have cinnamon buttercream. That's really nice. Cinnamon and a lot of sweetness in there. Great fall scents so far. This one is Sips of Cider. I like that. It almost kind of has like a hint of like orange. At least that's what I kind of think of when I smell it. And then I have some Counter Clean, which is awesome because I literally just ran out of the evergreen scented one. So this one is Cloudberry Dreams, which is probably like a sweet smell. Did get one sample pod, Sweet Orange and Evergreen. I absolutely love the smell of evergreen. Oh yeah, that smells exactly like a Christmas tree. Love that. Don't really smell the orange, but maybe I will when I light it. When I burn it. When I melt it. We have a scent pack for Welcome Home. And a scent circle. This is Clove and Cinnamon. Very cool. That's a really good box this month. Maybe one of my favorites that we've had recently. Mainly because of this. This is adorable. But if you guys would like to sign up for the subscription, you can pause it whenever you want to, whenever you need to. It's super easy. I will put a link below for the girl that I use. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.